friends. It's your girl Cha reporting live from the Money Mantra, and we are back with another Forex education video. I created my channel to help as many people as possible become independent and profitable traders. So if that's something that you're looking to do, you are in the right place at the right time. Now, it honestly doesn't matter if you are a new or returning subscriber, but I do just want to welcome everybody to my channel and just thank y'all for really being here and choosing to spend time with me today. It's really nice to know that there are so many people, actually over 1,000 people at this point, who are taking their Forex education seriously and who are allowing me to be on their trading journey with them. So I really thank you guys. I appreciate everything that you're doing to help the channel grow. I love when you guys leave comments because interacting with you and just helping you have those breakthroughs and filling those knowledge gaps is actually really fulfilling to me. So keep engaging, keep liking the videos, and definitely keep sharing with other traders who you think that it will be helpful to. Now, in today's quick video, we are going to be working on Tradelocker today. Tradelocker is a really cool trading app that it came out not too long ago, but it is giving other trading apps a run for their money just for the simple fact with how user friendly it is and how modern it is. And it's super easy to use. If you haven't seen my how to use Tradelocker in 8 minutes video, I highly recommend that one. That's my first video that got 10,000 views simply because it's straight to the point and it's actually really helpful. So we're going to be doing more tutorials on Tradelocker just to help you guys better navigate this platform. And in today's quick video, I'm going to be showing you 5 of my favorite features on Tradelocker and just really cool things that you can do to elevate your experience or make it a little bit easier for yourself. So the first thing you should know about Tradelocker, and I am using the web version today, is that you can customize the way that your screen looks. Now, right now, we're looking at the 3 main panels. So we actually have our trading window. We have and the names will be over here if you scroll over it. So we have our main window here, which is always going to be there. This is our chart. We have our markets panel, which we can see once we scroll over it, it's highlighted. We have our orders panel, and we also have our trades panel. Now, these 3 different panels do different things, but they're all features that you want to have when you are trading. Now, one cool thing you can do if you feel like the screen is just a little bit too crowded and you don't want to look at all of this stuff, you can turn off the panels that you rather not highlight. So what we can see is that I've closed all of the panels. So now all I'm seeing is my candles and my indicators. So that's pretty cool. If you only wanted to have your if you only wanted to have your certain panels open, you just would make sure that they are highlighted blue. Now, if we wanted to have our markets panel open, our markets panel pretty much is where we find our currency pairs and also our watch list or favorites. Now, if you really like a currency pair, what you can do is click on it. Once you right click, you'll put add to favorites, and then clicking on this star will take you to all of your favorite pairs or your watch list. So I think that's pretty cool. One of my favorite things about Tradelocker is the fact that it mirrors TradingView so well. So if you are familiar with using TradingView, this will be a pretty easy transition. You can also take live trades on TradingView as well. So it's not too much of a difference here. Now, another really cool thing that you can do on Tradelocker, because it does mirror TradingView, is you can have unlimited indicators and you can actually make this mirror your TradingView chart if you wanted to. So for example, the indicators that I have on my TradingView chart are the stochastic. So I'm going to go ahead and add the stochastic. You see how simple that was. I just clicked on indicators and I searched for the stochastic. I also have 2 moving averages, so I'm going to go ahead and also add 2 moving averages to my chart, and then I'm going to change the settings to make them exactly the way they are on TradingView. Now for me, I just like to use 2 EMAs. I use a purple EMA, and I also use a blue EMA, or a 10 EMA and a 3 EMA, with 3 being the smaller and 10 being the bigger and purple. So we can see now that my strategy is here. That was pretty simple. The volume bars is standard. Let me take that off. So my strategy is there. Now, if I wanted to save this so that every time I logged into my Tradelocker account, what I would do is click these four little boxes here, click Save Indicator Template, and then I'm going to put a name for it. So in this case, I'll put Cha-Cha Strategy, and we're going to save it. Now, let's just say for any reason you accidentally deleted your stochastic or you changed a setting. What you can do is just click on the four boxes and load your strategy, and everything will come back with the settings. Another cool feature that I really, really, really love about Tradelocker is the orders panel in general, because what you'll notice is that there are different buttons here that you can click, and as you click them, the settings will change. So the first button that we have on the orders panel is the market button, and if you click it, it'll go to pending. So you can switch your entry from market execution to pending order simply by clicking this button. Now the next button, if you click it, it will switch from buy to sell, and that's just deciding if you want to buy or sell. The risk calculator is pretty cool, the risk button, because you can either decide how many lots you want to risk, or you can choose the dollar amount. You also have your stop loss and your take profit button. And when they're on, you'll know that you have your stop loss and take profit set for your trade. So pretty much this orders panel is just a preview into everything that's happening in your trade. And if you actually want more information, you can click this arrow right here, and everything that you just set or selected will be right here. So we know that we had the pending order set, or we can switch it back to market execution. We know that we had the buy option selected, but we know here we can switch it to sell. Now, if I unhighlight my stop loss button, my trade is not going to have a stop loss. And if I unhighlight my take profit button, my trade is no longer going to have a take profit. So this is something really cool. I like how Tradelocker makes it pretty simple for us to get in and out of our trades. And it's just pretty easy once you understand these basic features. Now, another thing I really like about Tradelocker, which puts it above MT4 for me at this point, is the fact that you can add an automatic trailing stop loss. And a trailing stop loss is really helpful because as the market goes in your favor, your stop loss is going to follow it. So eventually, if your trade moves into profit, your stop loss will also be in profit. So even if the market does reverse or decide to go the other way, you've already been secured. So I highly recommend that you guys check out my other video on just trailing stop losses, because it will give you more insight into that. I know a lot of people still tend to be confused about how to use it manually or on Tradelocker, but I'm here to clear up all of that confusion for you guys. So again, Tradelocker it has all of these really amazing things that you can do. I am going to continue to make more videos about it, but I just want the videos to be quick and bite-sized pieces of information that you can incorporate into things that you're already doing so that it doesn't really seem so overwhelming. So today we talked about turning the different panels on and off, essentially customizing your screen. We also talked about how to add pairs to your watch list, which was really quick and easy. And we also talked about how to actually use the order panel for just quicker trading, because you shouldn't be spending all day on the charts. So I really hope that this video was helpful. If you want me to do more videos on Tradelocker, just so that you guys can get a better understanding of the platform, please give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment to let me know if it was helpful. If you made it this far and you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe to the channel. It doesn't hurt. I post pretty frequently, and I also have a lot of different playlists that are specified for beginners. So you can learn more about candlesticks, strategies, and indicators. But if you guys have any additional questions or something you do not see posted on my channel, feel free to reach out to me and let me know. If you're looking for something beyond what's offered on YouTube, I do have a personal mentorship program that I will be accepting students until the end of this year. After that, only the course will be available, and my personal mentorship time will be extremely limited. So, again, I hope that this was helpful, but that's really all I have for you guys today.